Hi, wondering what is on the screen? So this is called Arduino-based robot motor controller board. What is it? It has Arduino Nano and motor drivers and modules to control DC motor in a robot. So let's learn about and let's know what are the things here and what exactly it does. So we'll start with a small box here. Like this is not box, actually this is a board. This board here in the left side is known as Arduino Nano. This is the brain of the robot. It thinks and gives orders. You put instructions like program into it using a computer, and it tells exactly what to do, and it will work 100% exactly how you instruct it to work. It is like a puppy, which it will just do the things which you will tell him, and if you're not telling it, it will just be quiet. And moving forward to two red birds here, one is in the middle and one is in left bottom. These are motor driver board. What are motor driver board? These are the muscles. They help the brain turn on the motors or off or work it fast or slow, or to move backward or to move forward or to turn left or right. So these are the muscles of this brain. So this is how these three works. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 gray color box all around the board. So what is it exactly? These are the connectors. You plug in motors, sensors or power wires. They help everything talk to each other. So this is how it works. So how does it look when we turn it? So when we turn it, it looks like this. So here we'll be connecting the cables and the sensors and the power wires, whatever is necessary, or whatever we are using in the robot. So we'll be connecting it in here, and this will work all by the code which you have given them. So coming back to this, there is one black circular thing here in the top right corner. So this is actually a buzzer. This is a robot's voice. You can say that it can beep when something happens. Like you have told the robot to beep when you have crashed to something. So when it is like touched to a wall or any obstacle which it is crashed, then this will start beeping. It is like a the robot's voice. Moving forward to the left top here, this is actually known as power jack, the black round hole on the top left. So what does this do? This is where the battery or the adapter is connected. It gives energy to the board. When you connect the battery to it, we'll see how it looks. So this is how this is how it looks. So when you connect it to a battery or an adapter, it will adapt all the current which you are giving it, and it will distribute all among the board. So this is how this works. So now wondering what are these four circular thing here? These are actually capacitors, the silver round thing on the motor drivers. These are like tiny energy tanks. You can say that they keep power and smooth and safe. So these will when you insert an electric power in this, when it is like when you move in traffic, there are too many vehicles. So when there are too many vehicles, it will create a traffic. The same way, when there is an electricity in the board, it will create a traffic, and these capacitors will control them, and it helps the robot or the board to work smoothly. And the big green board here in the bottom, it is actually a playground where everything is done. So this when we turn it, it looks like this. So these are the connectors everywhere together, nearly like here, here, here. So these are the connectors, and the lines here in the dark color, they work like a wire. Like you can say they are the nerves of this board. So this is how it works. What this board makes it, this can make a line following robot, and you can say an obstacle avoiding robot, and a small moving car. These things can be made by this board. So this board actually gives too much power, that is enough to run a robot smoothly. So this is how these things work in this Arduino motor driver. So now we learned that there is power adapter and the controllers and the Arduino and the motor controllers, and how it looks when we turn the board. And this is the playground actually, when where everything works. Like these green part here are the wires, and the dotted thing here all over the board is the connectors. And wondering what are these holes for? These holes are to fix this board on the surface which you are using. So that is why we use these holes here. So now we learned what is Arduino based motor controller. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, future robot builders.